you're looking for a really great racing wheel stand, then I have something absolutely awesome for you. I've already tested that and it worked absolutely perfectly. I pulled it a little bit away from the desk so I can show you some details a little bit better. So let's start a little bit with the assembly. Assembly in general was pretty easy. Of course, we have a couple of screws here, and so at the beginning it's totally folded, then you have to lift it up, find your perfect position. It doesn't have to be perfect from the beginning. You can adjust it easily with these screws and this one here as well. Then on the side we add this plate here and the shifter plate where you can mount the shifter. Unfortunately, I don't have a shifter, but of course I have the steering wheel, which you can see here. Really super heavy one, and it has a great fit, absolutely awesome, super sturdy, 100 times better than just using your normal desk plate. What I highly recommend is to not mount it here directly on top, especially if you're using a super heavy steering wheel like the Fanatec here. So rather wait to attach these screws and this one here, put this down on the floor and mount this plate here on top, and only after that mount it here. Of course you will need some additional help, but I can guarantee this will be much easier. Maybe one really important tip, if you are also using Fanatec pedals, make sure that you're attaching the power to the pedals first before you are attaching it to the stand, because after that it could be very difficult because the power port in the Fanatec pedals are very deep inside. And so this is how I mounted the pedals from underneath. I've been using just two of the screws, one here on top on the wider slot and one underneath here also on the wider slot, with this huge washer. By the way, everything is included, so you do not only get all the screws and everything for the stand, you get also a lot of screws, some washers and a lot of nuts to mount the steering wheel, shifter and pedals. What I also like here are these feet here. They are screwable, so you can screw them in or out, so they allow to adjust if the floor is not totally flat, and they have really great anti-slip capabilities, so don't have to be worried that they are moving. But of course a chair could be moving, especially if you're using one like here with some wheels. And so what we have done, we have attached a cord here around these feet, starting from here, then going behind the chair and securing the other end here. Worked absolutely perfect. And so the whole thing worked absolutely awesome, so much better than just securing the wheel to your desk plate and then have everything shaking like crazy, putting your monitors at risk of damage. But it's not just about preventing damage for your monitors. The wheel and everything have a much better hold. They are really not moving at all, not even on the highest force feedback levels. This is absolutely incredible. So definitely full recommendation from my side. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.